Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up PayPal buttons language encoding on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner and then select account settings. Now get on your left side, scroll down till the last and select website payments. Now here you guys can see this third option called PayPal button language encoding. So you just need to select its update button, and here you just need to select this scroll down icon and select one of these options that are available to you, which is Western European languages including English and Chinese, traditional Chinese, simplified Japanese, Korean and Russian. So they have given us a few options to choose one of them, and after selecting one of them you just need to select on this save button, and that's how you guys can set up your PayPal buttons language encoding on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.